welcome to my channel. Thanks very much for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, please click that button below. I'll leave some details below as well. I'll leave some links below so you can check some things out, what I'm going to talk about today. Today, I really want to focus on these negative Nellies out there, okay, who seem to think it's okay to criticize affiliate and digital marketers for reselling a course that they've taken. Now, I get it. There's good and bad everywhere. There's good courses and bad courses, right? As long as the affiliate or the digital marketer is aligned and 100% believes in a course or a program, then what is the problem in promoting that? Now, let me explain. When you're a beginner, and I'm so glad there are courses available, because when I started in this industry, I didn't want to try and figure it all out by myself. It's overwhelming. There's so much information on YouTube, on Google. It's a nightmare, okay? You can try and do it yourself, but 9 times out of 10, you're going to get overwhelmed. You're going to throw in the towel and think, do you know what? This is just, it's too vast. But it's not. People overcomplicate it. And this is why an education comes into its own. Now, why people think it's a negative thing to promote and resell a course, I do not know. People don't understand digital marketing. They seem to confuse it with some kind of MLM. It's nothing like an MLM. Multi-level marketing is when you're gaining from your customers' hard work, your sales of your customers. You're gaining commissions from that. Digital marketing is not that. Digital marketing with master resale rights, you get 100% profit to promote a course or a program that you've taken yourself, if you choose to. Now, not everybody does, and that's absolutely fine, because these courses are designed to give you the education and skills you need to build your online business, whether this is an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, whether you want to create your own course, your own e-learning program, maybe you want to create your own digital products, right? So what happens is when these people are taking an education and they're blown away by the course itself, right? What they're doing is they're learning the skills to brand themselves online, how to do that on social media, how to do that via email campaigns, how to do that with advertising. And once they're learning these skills to build their business and maybe even create their own digital products, rather than wait until they get to that level before they start seeing an income, a course or a program with master resale rights allows you to resell that course so you can earn an income whilst you're building your business and whilst you're learning the skills. This is why people see quick success and quick turnaround in their financial status, because they're receiving 100% profit for promoting something they didn't even have to create themselves. So it is not an MLM, because customers who come into this business with myself, I don't benefit one single penny from their hard work and their sales. And that's what I love about this, but people don't seem to understand, especially over on TikTok. There seems to be a lot of people who feel it's okay to jump on other people's TikTok channels and leave comments like, oh yeah, but I bet you're selling a course. Well, yeah. And what is wrong with that? Nothing's wrong with that. And let me explain, right? Beginners need an education. I needed an education when I got started. And I took some high ticket courses, I took some low ticket courses, and I've settled now on 2 courses that I 110% believe in, I'm passionate about, right? One's a mentorship program. The other one's a course in its own right. You can do it at your own pace. I'll leave the links below so you can check them out. Okay, but you've got to do something that resonates with you. And these people who criticize digital marketers for promoting courses are just not seeing the bigger picture here. Why can't you promote something and introduce other people to a course that is benefiting you? And if people want to change their life and improve their financial situation so they can maybe, I don't know, maybe have a career change or quit their job or work from home or just have extra income streams coming into the family home so they can book that holiday, whatever the reason is behind it, isn't it a good thing to introduce people to that educational platform so they can learn the skills to achieve their dreams? Now, I don't see anything negative in that. I only see positive. And the fact that some people seem to jump on the bandwagon of thinking, oh, it's just an MLM. No, it's not. It's almost like, do your research, guys, before you start criticizing people who are trying to change their lives. Do your research before you start calling them out and calling them scammers and calling them like they're in the MLM industry. It is not. I would never be in that industry. Now, I just want to share my screen with you very quickly, okay? And this will just give you an idea of why it is so exciting to get involved with the e-learning industry right now. So let me just share my screen with you, and I will show you exactly what I've been reading this morning. So if I look at this, you can go to this website yourself, okay? It's reportlinker.com. And I've found this market overview regarding the global e-learning market industry, okay? And if you look at this, I mean, for instance, this trend is expected to continue with the market projected to reach an impressive $375.8 billion by 2026. Now that's unbelievable. So we need to be involved with this industry. E-learning industry is the way to go. Even some universities are using this, okay? A lot of companies are using this to upskill their workers, to reskill their workers. And people are using these platforms to change their life because they're fed up of their typical 9 to 5, or they just don't want to work shifts anymore. Maybe they don't want to run their own business anymore as a small business. I've been running a business in the UK for 19 years, and it's hard work. And many people running small businesses are struggling financially. Let me tell you, it's not easy. And a lot of people have had enough because it's very stressful. Even the people on the capped income, for instance, who are relying on overtime to survive, when that overtime stops, they're in financial trouble. They really are. So when you look at things like this, and I mean, there's several factors, as it states here, several factors are contributing to this growth. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of digital learning platforms, as institutions worldwide have adapted to remote learning to minimize disruptions in education. Additionally, the need for continuous upskilling and reskilling in a rapidly changing job market has driven the demand for e-learning solutions among professionals. So, guys, it's not just me saying these things because I want you to buy a course from me. We're all building our business. We're all building a new life. But the evidence is in black and white, right? The value people get from purchasing a course or a program for a one-time payment. There's no subscriptions with these courses I promote. There's a one-time payment, a one-time investment. And remember, if you choose to resell it yourself, because you get 100% profit, you've made your full investment back with one new customer. And then if you can do that over and over again, if you want to, for 100% profit, pure profit after that first customer. So these negative Nellies out there, do your research, guys, because promoting a course or a program that is going to help somebody is not a negative action. It's a positive action. People need to increase their own vibrations because they are seeing people trying to change their lives as something negative. Well, actually, it's probably those people making those negative comments that need to look at themselves. They need to change their mindset. And once they do, they might get on board and realize how much of a fantastic opportunity this is. So with that said, let me just unshare my screen a second. I just want you to think outside the box, right? If you're someone who's just had enough of the 9 to 5, you're a busy parent, maybe you're a stay-at-home mum and dad, maybe you're in your 40s or 50s. I'm in my 50s, okay? Maybe you're an empty nester and you just want to do something for yourself. You want a better life. You want something that you can do from anywhere in the world. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you just don't want to go work a 9 to 5 for somebody anymore. These online e-learning programs will teach you the skills so you can achieve that. And I will leave the link below for both programs I'm involved with, and you can just go and check them out. Okay, you can even just download my ebook if you want to. I'll leave the link for that below as well. But I had to address this today because it's getting a little bit tiresome seeing these negative comments of people who just do not understand digital marketing. Digital marketing is when you're either creating your own products to promote online, or you're reselling a course or a program you've taken that comes with master resell rights that allows you to promote that for 100% profit, whilst you're building your education and your knowledge and your skills so you can brand yourself and build your own products eventually. And who knows, you might even want to create your own course one day. And you can choose your niche. It hasn't got to be the make money online niche, okay? It can be anything. It can be fitness and health. It can be dog grooming, whatever you want it to be. You choose the niche. These courses show you how. I hope that's helped. I hope that's put this to bed. I had to put it on my channel today. Thanks, guys. Link below. Please subscribe, and I really look forward to engaging with you soon. You have a great day. Bye now.